Hello guys, welcome. In this video, we will see um, regarding one of the options which we get during the installation of Intellij IDEA. So that option is open folder as project. This is not a mandatory field to check or select while during the installation, but what happens if we select this checkbox that we will see here. Okay, so suppose consider we have selected this checkbox and then continued our installation and then rebooted our machine. Then if we go to any Windows Explorer and if we see any folders, so these are some of the folders which I have in my QGnan um, folder, and in order to go inside that we will either double click or we will simply right click and we will say open, and it will also do the same thing. But if we want to see uh, um, what has changed by selecting that option, which is um, open folder as project during the installation, then what we have to do is by selecting any folder, hold the shift key and right click on the folder. Then we will see additional options, and one among those options is open folder as Intellij IDEA Community Edition project. So by selecting this option here from this list displaying, it will open that folder in the Intellij IDEA, and this is applicable on any of the folders in our Explorer or any drive. Say suppose if you want to open this favorites folder, shift hold key, right click, and we have that option. So that is it for this video, and see you in the next video.